Warper, Aruna Fields. Punta tayo 7-Eleven mamaya.
I'm more evil than you,
It's only
Tony.
one way. Sharing my last time.
Time to buy a corn.
Ngayon, pag hindi nag-claim si Aishi, si Tagums, tsaka si Triggerman, bali mapapalitan yan ng 16, 17, tas 18.
So,
Yun. Grabe naman si si Jojo. Napakaswerte. 2 weeks. Putang na sakto. What's up? Ay, hindi. Mail ko na lang.
I'm trying to bring. I'm just. Okay, this is gonna be fun, right?
Sureball mo, hulaan niyo to.
Just like yours.
Haba naman ang pangalan mo, B?
Your hair is getting shorter and shorter every day.
As the moonlight shines.
It's gonna be fun. When you're playing Minecraft, did you see? They said they. Wait, I have a friend that is called. That's name is Amanda in my ballet class.
Shadow shoes sa game. Pero kung yung lumang streamer ginawa nila, pwede ka nang makakuha ng shadow armors ulit. Pati yung shadow... Huwag in-game palaro, lugi ako si. Sige, pwede naman in-game tsaka in-game tsaka... So next year, sure ball port jump na pre. Mabilis lang yun.
How? Because we always want.
Oh baby, baby. Yan.
Girl, you're evil.
So, bago tayo magsimula ng palaro natin, simula first game natin, ano ba ito? Kamusta Jet Lord sa putang naka all stats costume yun solid yun, hasta all stats yun, di ba? Yun solid bangis. Mahina lang pala talaga.
Bro, we love tricking each other.
Was Roy Marlon. Large size, pre. Parang, siya, named.
No offense, but not to doubt.
Dalawa yun.
Probably they want to
Dalawa
play
or
a
ka-clone.
new
Say
game.
2 plus sequence. Okay, lalakyan ko.
Wait, you cut your hair? You didn't tell me, so that I can cut my hair just.
Gitna. 2 months na sub. Thank you. Pati kay Jojo, kay Kikuchi, kay Pogs, pati kay Atlas din. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
You're evil too. Wait a minute.
Nalistahan ko.
Give me back my card. Okay, fine. Let's chill.
Wait lang. Huwag muna kayo umalis. Ilalagay ko na para
How do you know that?
Pre,
I forgot this.
level na lang siguro.
Right.
O, pag tumunog yung timer, tapos wala pa nakakahula, grave worm. Grave worm. Teka lang nilista ko lang. Ano else? Jewel pa to mga pre Put down.
Yellow. Bro, we're switching accounts. That's crazy.
Hindi. Ito yung tsura nito. Mukha din siyang isila, no?
Yeah. That was good. You got it from the earth last time.
Mamimigay ako ng 50 NLs jewel tsaka yung lottery ticket na isang daan. Ayun. Nice. Abot yan pre. Palaro lang gagawin ko ngayon, ngayon. Dota kaka-update ko lang, update ko
Already, you're
naman.
gonna kidnap
Saan
me.
yun?
Positive.
Marbles. Day pa lang. Ayoko na pre. Di ko na ulitin yung 3 stream pre. Salamat sa notify Chad. Ano tayo? Raffle, palaro, yung mga subs tsaka ano? Ayun, nakuha.
I'm having bad dreams. Oh, really?
Dahil LGP sa C. As well. Alima.
Tags? How did you know?
Si Rare,
Targeter. Yo, that's crazy. He made this for like...
Kasi kung tama hula mo, ibibigay ko din sa'yo yung premyo. Kung tama. 50 NLs, Jewel. Notify ulit. Dancer for Pepina. Demu, first winner.
I would be so angry. Let's join my new friend. Do you know this Alejandro?
Grabe, nakita ko yung pandemonyo. Grabe yung costume na nakakill. First to chat sa pub.
Do you know Simple 325?
Banayad.
So that's where I'm school.
Raffle ko na lang yung sa...
Wait.
Ito
I know there's a hack. I think...
Grave Worm, goods. Grave Worm, pre. Nauna si Chodan. Grave Worm. Ang sagot. Grave Worm.
Girl, you were rude too. You even looked at my private thing.
So, 16, 17, 18, Banayad, Akane, tsaka Redux. Pa-claim ako. Grabe, sobrang active ng Lakas Araw ngayon mag-post sa groups. 2 minutes. Pag tumunog, alam niyo na yan. Oo, ayun o. Season 1 Championship Ila. Medium.
Wait, I don't have because my phone is so bad.
May 3 months
And
na.
I only have we only have one power bank.
Kay Creoles, yung Meet Your Makers. Tapos kay La Face Worm.
Live.
Yung
I mean, we call
pangalan ng guild nila. Tele lang ng tele mga pre.
Bro,
Nagbabasa lang ako ng mga update. Upgrading.
yes, help me. Can you help me try to find the other people? In Roblox talaga.
Yeah, notify lang yung mga
I
pre.
want 100.
Balik stream na ulit ako.
But
Dami lang kasi talagang ginawa. Busy. Sa front, dito sa tambayan.
bro, I'm trying to not.
Online ka
I
ba?
don't know how to.
Solid naman yung costume, no? Idol. Malayo pa. Kung alam nyo, edi wala tayong magagawa. Ganun talaga.
Hello. What? Yes, can you put more pages, please? And
Putang ina, ayaw lumaki. Ayan pre. Oh, ayan, clue. Kamusta ang WoW eh? Naka-AFK lang ayos.
yeah, I know.
Lobat na headset ko. Ito ka na. Hindi ako pwede masyado magpuwet dahil maaga pumapasok yung mga ano ko eh. Mga Junakis ko eh.
Don't read.
Ang daming bagong pumapasok na guild ngayon sa lakas, no? Sa Tor. Parang 3 yata yung nakita akong bago. Yung
They find the murderer, by the way. I swear, if I'm innocent again in the next round.
mob nung robot. Ayun, naulaan niya ano. E_EA2S. Wait lang. Persona. SSTD. Saan ba? Para makita nyo agad. Close, ano ko na lang. Ayun. Grabe, 18k LC. Ang in. Grabe yung presyo ng mga item talaga. Parang tagal nito, no? Lalo na pag-unti naghahanap.
This is gonna be fun. Bro, everyone.
Come. Oh yan, madali lang yan pre. Isa eh. Neutral, medium, human, search.
I dare you to.
Should be over all the butterflies. LC. Tulibin na sa pulo.
Diba?
Wala tayong supply. O sige, mamigay
Wala
tayo.
kita.
Allowance GL. Yan ang clue natin. Since yung lumang streamer egg nandun sa bagong streamer egg, tapos chance siya makuha, mas okay sana. Lahat ng Shadow Gears nandun na sa streamer egg na luma. Basta pag medyo malapit na kayo sa character ko, wag muna kayo mag-tele. Una yan, malabo na ako mag-stream ng madaling araw ulit. Kasi magpapasok. Nina, wait lang ha. "27 entries."
Yeah, she joined me in Roblox.
Nalista na kita kanina. Nahulog pa nga si Enlong.
This is gonna be fun for the entire server.
Yung sunod-sunod naman yan eh.
Your eyes may not
16, 17, 18. Basta pababa.
or whatever I want. Let's play. Wait, let's play Brocade. Wait, I'm going to share my
Bilis lang yan,
with
Thor.
your Roblox.
Hindi mo na mamalayan.
But you yet watched it.
Kailangan nyo mag-type ng exclamation point plane tapos RGN para sa mga bago natin dyan. Grabe naman eh.
Okay, okay.
Hindi na to. Ano yung favorite ko ito?
Wait lang. Ang tanong mo na.
Auda City, pre. Warp lang. Town.
Oh no, I'm scared. What about you? I'm scared. Take out my nose.
Mamaya, pagkatapos nito, ano tayo? Nabuksan ko. Ayun. Atong, deal mo ako sa front. Yung Den BM. Padil ako. Pangalan yun, Kipi. Tayo pala umabot ng repos. Yan, sige. Ipre, alisin na natin to si Maiden. Aking i-tuklo. Either element or size.
Ha? Kala mo
Ano, may delay.
have you ever
Di na ata aabot.
do you know the password?
Maganda pala mga laman ng streamer egg. So, hopefully, makakuha kayo na maganda sa mga streamer eggs na napapalalunan nyo. And pusong ina fish tas MD.
What did you buy again at the school fair? I forgot. That was like that every single.
Okay.
Oh wait, bro.
Medium ha, medium. Medium size, medium size. Divine Pride ang sagot sa inyong mga katanungan. Tara, streamer eggs tayo. Wala nang hahabol, wala.
I'm gonna play Maple Hospital. Can we play Maple Hospital? No? I think I'm not. Bata!
Korean embassy in Italy to investigate Jenny for smoking.
Siyempre.
Work started reacting angrily. One fan said Jenny needs to be.
My name's actually Mia Elizabeth.
Who are you talking to? Hey.
I'm talking to Sabina White. Huh? Yeah, what?
Persona. Notify. Paulo Ebora. Thank you. Notify IG. Very, very close na, pre. As in. Talagang... Out the city, pre.
Are you there? Are you still at the gate?
Wala face worm to, di ba? Boss Randolph, shout out sa'yo.
Baba?
50 NLs, Jewel, 2 winners.
Did you want the new Inside Out shit? I mean the new Inside Out.
Kala mo lang yon.
Oh, because I reported.
Para palaro tayo, pre. Mamaya ako nare-raffle yung sa, ano.
I'll be fine. I guess I'm gonna treat everything for.
Notify na kayo, mga pre. Okay, next. Subscriber raffle, tsaka top fan raffle. Mas palaro tayo, Billy Games. Anals, Jewel, tos LC. Kasi di ba yung streamer egg, bago na ilaman. Tama? Sayang sana yun, no? Kung na-late lang siya ng tele ng ilang segundo, siya na pa.
Ano sabi mo? Look at there.
Ito. Silip-silip lang ginagawa ko kasi. Masyado nakakapaglaro.
Oh no, I fell. And where people put
Darkness Helm. Vajra. Ano yun?
Punished to the full extent of law. To set an example, others joined in accusing her of thinking she's above the law or hate
Bali 25 LC per win to. Pwede pa ulit-ulit ah.
actions.
Yan, 22 entries.
just have a
Mabilisan lang sa top fan raffle. DreamWorks Ultimates.
Wait lang, Nina.
Okay, what?
My dad was just borrowing his phone.
Hoy, Boss Ingoy, thank you for liking the stream. Welcome, cheat us. Ayun bago.
I don't know.
Wait, notify lang kayo, notify.
Ano ba yan? My favorite food? Wait,
50 NLs, Jewel.
are you wearing a ponytail
winners.
right now?
Two weeks.
I can have your account
Thank you for sharing, pre.
whenever I want to and however I
Teka,
want.
ayusin ko lang yung listahan. Puro gacha, no? Nakita ko yung streamer egg, pre. Ang ganda ng mga bagong laman ng streamer egg din.
Wait, you have to check because someone might be using your account. For me, I'm just trying to find some things like reasons to my account.
Ang lumang streamer egg din sa bago. Yun nga rin na inaisip ko eh. Pero sobrang... Ang ano kasi, madami na ring stream.
Please say.
Sa mga bagong dating na gusto sumali, nasa Frontera Field 8 ako, pre. Tele-tele lang kayo. Pagbibigay ako ng lalaki ako yung picture. Next. Oo. Guys, next round, Frontera Field. Solid talaga ng lakas araw. Taka na, di ko alam kung sarcasm yan, pre. Over all the butterflies. May bullet yun, di ba?
And clap your hands.
Okay. G. Ano agad to, pre? Kayo, lahat ng nandito pa sa stream, mga pre.
You made this for 100 years, bro.
Lahat ng nanonood pa. Auda. So, sa mga nanalo na, 1 character per win. Okay, so...
I played Barbarian. Let's do the thing again.
Okay.
Bro, why are you a fat robber?
Okay, next round. 4 rounds. Suggestion ko sa inyo, gumamit kayo ng Divine Pride.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
On the living room pa.
Eh, umibig ito. Dalawa to eh.
You can open it, it's dark outside na.
Kita. Irritate.
May 45 seconds sila para mag-claim. 15 winners. Kaya abang kayo. 15 winners to, isang bagsak ha. Morphe, send mo na lang sa BPI ko. Di pa ako nabibili. Palworld tayo mamaya, pre. Pagkatapos nito. Ayan, dito ako sa ano, pre. Sa Arunafeld Castle.
One thing. One here. Dragon Age of Fortune.
Aro Guild. Si Mini. Nag-claim na ba si Mini?
Bro, someone tried to target.
Ayun, si Mini. Si Aishi, si Kikuchi pala auto-win. Si Tagums, si Triggerman, tsaka si Rare. Pre, T1 is T1. Libero naman talaga yun. Ayun, si Boss Sandro.
For tomorrow. Sige,